It's strange how you don't use a tool for a long time and then you use it 2 weeks in a row. This is the dividing head I'm going to use to put the holes in. I think it was last week or a week before the video when I did some dividing on this. Somebody actually said that I drilled into the chuck. I'll get a close-up shot of the chuck. This is a hardened chuck, it's an expensive chuck, and it was like that when I got it. And there's no way I'm going to do anything like that. Anyway, it still does a job for what it's supposed to do, but I certainly didn't do all that. Obviously this time it's going to be hitting the chuck jaws. I'll show you what you can do to avoid causing that sort of damage. I've got the part set up in the dividing head. I've got a clock gauge on there. If I turn that all the way around, it stops at 0 all the way, which basically means that the centre of the machine is dead in line with the centre of the part. Now I need a pitch circle diameter of 25mm, so I'm going to offset it that way 25mm, and then lock the table up, and then we can proceed to drill the holes. Bastard. Right, I've already locked off the y-axis. This is just a cheap Banggood magnetic arm. That's all it is, with a little adapter on the end that goes into a drill chuck, or goes into there. Quite a handy little bit of kit. Take this off and put a drill chuck onto it now. If I was stuck for height, I could leave this on. I could even put an R8 collet in there. I've got a little spot drill here. I've got a set of them from Banggood to do a review on. So I'm going to give this one a try. This one's 4mm and that's the size holes. We need 4mm. This table's got a gear ratio of 40:1, so 40 turns on that handle makes that go around 1 time. So if I turn that 5 times, that's going to go around in 1/8 of a turn, which is exactly what I need. We'll take it back, we'll start here. We're going to get 1 or 2 in before we need to reposition it for the chuck jaws. So we'll put the first one in there, then we'll count 5 and go around 5 turns. The spot drill hasn't got flutes all the way up, and I want this to go all the way through. That one's just going to miss that base jaw. So I've got to keep lifting it out. See how it's warped. But I think what I'll do each one down to the depth of the flutes on there, and then I'll put a 4mm drill in to go all the way through. And so it's 5 turns from there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's certainly drilling that for fun. These drills have got cobalt in them. Right, now the moment of truth. Absolutely spot on. I'm going to drill all the way through all the ones I can that aren't going to hit a vase jaw. I'm going to put that little bit of packing around there just in case I go through. I don't want to damage the chuck anymore that's already damaged. That's one. We'll leave that one, we'll go to the next one. Right, the next one's here as well. It's obviously going to hit that one. Obviously going to hit that one. I think I've done that one, I'll just make sure. Yeah, that one's done. So now we need to come round to the one that we can't drill all the way through. Put the drill down, knock the quill off. Stop it. Okay, so if we loosen off this chuck, turn this around so it clears, which is there. One more, then all the rest of them should clear as well. Right, gently nip that back up again. So now we can drill through without the risk of damaging anything. Just want the holes dragging on the back now. I'll push the bearing in for him. I'll give him a ring and see if I can put the bearing in or not. I'm not sure what he's got to do to it. Surprising how much tin there is in making a part like that. This bearing's double shielded. It's going to shield on both sides so it can go either way around. I'm just going to clean the in there a little bit. You press the bearing in, you must not press on the centre, you press on the outside edge. Got a socket there that's just a nice size. That goes into there, onto there. You could knock it in with a hammer or put it in a hydraulic press, but the base will be more than sufficient for this particular. Right. Nothing the matter with that. You can see there what I mean by a double shielded bearing. That's the shield on there. Once again, just time to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please do. And as always, a massive thanks for all the well wishes. Anyway, thanks very much. See you next week.